Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to display and brightness. And here select font. And by default, the font is set to second point here. Okay, if you would like to increase font size, select other point on the right side, that is third point, and it will increase size. Okay, if you choose fourth one, it will increase further, and last one is very large size. Okay, see the preview here. Okay, also you can here change the font style. Okay, so click on finally apply, and this font size has been now applied. Okay, font size has been increased very large. Okay, see the changes. Again go to the settings to decrease font size. What you have to do is click on display and brightness, and here select a font, and here you have to choose the second option for default, and first option is very small size. Okay, click on apply, and small size font will be used for our phone. Okay, if you want to set in default font size, you have to always keep in the second point, so that default font size will be used for your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. In this way, you can easily change font size in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.